And back to Dad. Or to the couch. Woohoo! Keep it going. Hop up. Hop up. Get him to clap. Have him face us and clap. Ready?
Clap, clap,
Yay!
clap, 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 clap.
You did good.
Clap, 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 clap.
You did good. Oh, you just walk to wherever you go now. You see your new crayons up there you want to get? Got those for you. Good job. You got it. To take some video of you coloring. Nicely done. Say bye. Bye.